Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Grenada. So let's get started. So here we can see Grenada has 1,000 number of unemployed people and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online without any investment and without any capital is through freelancing. So the best website for freelancing is Fiverr. So Fiverr is a marketplace where you can sell anything to the business owners and potential buyers. So what to sell? So you can sell here your social media manager gig, your designing services, content writing, editing, proofreading contents, and providing user testing experience and feedback, and deliver the personal messages, digital doing the digital background removal of images and other things. So it's a very great platform to make money. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.